estimation. So why we need to collect data, right? Because to collect data, we try to understand uh, what's going on in the population, right? Because at the end of the day, we want to know the population, some parameter population, maybe the mean, sample, the population mean and population variance. We try to collect data, and using the data information, try to guess what's going on in the population. For example, we care about sample mean, right? Population mean, and then we try to use, say, sample mean to estimate population mean. We try to use sample variance to guess population variance. So that is the variable interest. So and this estimator, right, the way sample mean and sample variance, we know actually is a random variable, right? Because it's coming from, depend on the sample you draw, then things can change. It can also depend on sample size, right? And then we know that the sample size get larger, usually the variance of the estimator will reduce, right? So that is estimator. And estimate is what we actually, from estimator is a random variable, right? And the realized value of the estimate, right? Because once you draw the sample, based on estimator can calculate the estimate, okay? And point estimator is an estimator that estimates certain point, okay? The sample mean, right? And particular point we estimate. We give you one number. And interval estimator is trying not to guess one point but a range of point, right? It's a give you a range of the idea. Say instead of say mean is 3, but mean is between 2 to 5, say for example. Then you try to not guess one point but guess a range of points. So that is the introduction of the estimation.